Central School, Class 5, Chapter 1, Science, Prevention and Treatment of the Diseases. Yesterday class we are discussed about what are the diseases, how the diseases spread, that we are discussed. In this class we are going to discuss about prevention and treatment of the disease. How if the disease come, how we have to prevent them disease, that we are going to decide today's class. That disinfect, how to prevent the disease by using disinfectants, boiling water, chlorine, water filters and insecticides. By using these we can prevent the diseases. By using these we can prevent the disease. One way to prevent a disease is to prevent the germs from breeding and spreading. One way to prevent the disease, first we have to prevent the disease. First we have to prevent the breeding of germs, breeding and spreading of the germs. First we have to prevent the disease, means breeding and spreading of the germs by, for example, mosquitoes and spreading and breeding of the mosquitoes, that we have to prevent first by spreading the disinfectants. By spreading the disinfectants we have to prevent the germs and mosquitoes. Second one is boiling water. Drinking the boiling water, that also prevent the diseases. By drinking the boiling water, that also prevents the disease causing organism. How? The boiling water, when boiled, it kills the organisms. And chlorine, by using the chlorine that is the chemical, by using the chlorine we have to prevent the diseases. And water filters, by using the water filters we have to prevent the diseases. By using water filter we have to prevent the diseases. And insecticides is a chemical substance which can kill the insect. By using insecticides also we have to prevent the diseases. These are the prevention of the diseases. What are the prevention of the diseases means? First one is disinfectants. By using the disinfectant is a chemical, can be used to kill the germs before they enter the body. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant. Less germs breed in houses which are airy and open to sunlight. First one is disinfectant. Disinfectant is a chemical substance. By using the chemical substance disinfectant you can kill the germs, and even sunlight is also natural method. We are exposing the sunlight, we can kill the germs. Understand? Second one is boiling water. While drinking the boiling water also kills the germs. Boiling water is also kills the germs. A number of diseases are spread by infected water. Germs in water can be killed most easily by boiling water. 10 to 15 minutes water works. In cities normally use a disinfectant called chlorine, and chlorine is one of the and brush your teeth and wear a good clothes, wash the clothes, and take a daily bath. First one is you have to take a daily bath and wear a wash your clothes, eat healthy balanced diet food, then you can prevent the disease. Understand? You have to a very important step in preventing diseases is keep ourselves clean. Dirty skin and fingernails allow germs to breed them. Have a bath with a soap and water every day. Wash your hands with soap and water before eating and after using toilet. Keep your fingernails short and clean. Using the last one is very important. The prevention of the disease is very important. You know what we have to do is clean is very important. That's why we have to do daily bath, clean our nails and cut our nails and eat healthy diet food. Then you become a very healthy person. Next one is treatment. Vaccination. Vaccination. It is a method of preventing germs from causing diseases. It's a vaccination is a method of preventing germs from causing diseases. Vaccination it's a method of preventing germs from causing diseases. Vaccination is a method of preventing germs from causing diseases. A vaccine is a small amount of disease causing germs that have been weakened or killed. Therefore, they cannot cause the disease. The vaccine is swallowed or injected into the body. Immediately, the body cells produce substance which can destroy the weakened germs. Understand? Vaccination. It is a method of preventing germs from causing disease. Whenever we take or inject vaccine can be injected or swallowed, then the immune system will be respond. Our body system start responding and then the immune system will be triggering. The immune system starting their work. Vaccine, a product that stimulates a person's immune system to produce immunity to a specific disease. Vaccine is a product. Understand? Vaccine is a product that stimulates a person's immune system to produce immunity. Vaccine is a product that stimulates a person's immune system to produce immunity. Vaccine is a product that stimulates a person's immune system to produce immunity to a specific disease. That is called as vaccine. Vaccine is a product that stimulates person's immune system and that produce immunity to a particular disease. And immunity, it is natural resistance. Immunity means natural resistance. But if you take the vaccine, means the immunity will become against that disease. Understand? And last one is antibiotics. Antibiotics are the medicines that fight against bacterial infections in people and animals. The antibiotic is a medicine that fights bacterial infections in animals and the plants. Antibiotic is a medicine that fight bacterial and animal disease in plants. Prevention and treatment of the diseases. How we have to prevent the disease means by first basically you have to control the breeding and spreading of the organisms. For example, mosquitoes. Second one is using disinfectants. You can prevent the diseases and drinking boiling water and chlorine treatment, water filters and insecticides. And last one is very important, clean ourselves. And next, how treatment. What are the treatment? Vaccination. It is a method of preventing germs from causing diseases. Vaccination is a method of preventing germs causing the diseases. And vaccine, a product that stimulates person's immunity. Vaccine is a product that stimulates person's immune system against the disease. And immunity is natural resistance. And antibiotics are medicines. Antibiotics are the medicines that kills bacterial diseases in animals and human beings. In fact, very few drugs work against viruses. That's why there is still no cure for the most common disease spread by viruses. That is the common cold. Understand? Viruses doesn't have more vaccines. That's why still we doesn't have any particular vaccine for the common cold.